Hello guys, this is me, Blessing Bello Olisa. So I was heading to work. I was gonna go without any food, but I'm tired of spending some money at work. I decided to make a cat vegetable soup. It takes me 5 minutes to get it done. I hope you like it. Please share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. This is catfish. It's rice cauliflower, meat vegetable, and meat vegetable. So let's make some fish soup. Okay, I'm not gonna use too much oil. So this fish is already spiced. Guys, this is like 5 minutes. 5 minutes. So let it boil for 5 minutes. Guys, this is soup, so you can use it to eat whatever you want to. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of thyme. I like the taste of thyme, just a little bit. And I have black pepper here. And I'm just gonna mix the vegetables. Alright, can you give me scissors? Can you give me scissors? This is curly rice. You can make it differently, but I want to make it with it, just like a soup. And I'm gonna put more vegetables. I want to see this. Actually, you can have some. So guys, it's time. Let's go. This has been seasoned. This has been seasoned, guys.
Guys, this is catfish. One big catfish, yes. I'm gonna leave the head. I'm not gonna put the head away. What do you think I'm making? I'm making vegetable catfish. Are you gonna eat? What's your face like that? It's a good food. You don't want the fish? What do you want? Okay, your grandma will do it. Huh? Oh, he's from 12.
Yeah.
They're coming from 12.
Yeah, they're gonna be coming a little bit later. Maybe like 1 or 2.
Remember, I'm going to work.
To work?
But it's okay, you guys have fun. You have fun, don't you? Don't make me fun.
Yeah, beforehand they're gonna buy like.
We'll buy it tomorrow. We buy it tomorrow. Okay guys, let's go. And we need salt. Just a little bit of salt. And let me see. So this is cauliflower and mixed vegetables. Good. So good, guys. I want it. I want it to be more spicy, so I'm gonna add more pepper. This is a black Cameroon pepper. I'm gonna add a little bit more. It's gonna be spicy hot. So allow it to cook for a few seconds. Okay guys, so it's actually defrosted, and I'm just gonna add the fish. This is a white soup vegetable. There is no oil, it's only the fish oil, guys. I'm trying to work on my cholesterol, so the fish oil is the best oil, especially the catfish. So there is no oil in this soup. It's a white soup. Cauliflower, cauli rice. Cauli rice is a vegetable rice, and then the vegetable. It's very hard to lose weight. So I'm working on my weight and I'm changing my diet. So this is just gonna boil for 5 minutes and it's ready to go. For 5 minutes and it's ready to go, guys. Okay, let's check how we are doing here. Woo! We are doing great here. Yes. So this is 5 minutes and I believe it's ready. Yeah. The fish are done. Catfish doesn't take time. Yeah, catfish doesn't need more than 5 minutes. And I added some. Mommy, can the otais? Guys, I added some otais. I don't know the English name. But these otais are added. And it's ready. It's 5 minutes. I think the whole thing is 10 minutes though.